Hi, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video I'll be talking about complete and net ionic equations. So in order to find your ionic equations, you have to start with the complete chemical equation, or you can also call it the molecular equation, and you want to make sure it's balanced. To find the complete ionic equation, all we're going to do is break down each aqueous compound into its individual ions, and we're also going to make sure to write the charge and state of each ion. So with our example here, we're going to break the red compound first. We're going to break it into calcium and 2-chlorine. As you can see, we have the charges, so 2 plus for calcium and 1 minus for chlorine. And we've written the state as well, which is aqueous. And also, we've written a coefficient of 2 in front of the chlorine because in the chemical equation, there's a subscript of 2. So we're going to do the same thing with the sodium carbonate. 2Na plus 1 carbonate with a charge of 1 plus on the sodium and a charge of 2 minus on the carbonate, and they're both aqueous. Now, for solids, all we're going to break up is aqueous compounds. So when there's a solid, you're just going to keep the same, so that's just calcium carbonate. And for the green compound, which is 2-sodium chloride, we're just going to break it up into 2Na and 2-chlorine, and Na has a charge of 1 plus and chlorine has a charge of 1 minus, and they're both aqueous. Now, to find the net ionic equation, all we're going to do is take out these things called spectator ions. Spectator ions is when there's 2 ions that are the same on both sides. So for example, in this one, we're going to cross out the 2 chlorines because as you can see, they're the exact same on both sides of the equation. And the other spectator ion, if you can see it, is going to be the 2Na because again, they're the exact same on both sides of the equation. So your net ionic equation is just going to be calcium plus carbonate, both aqueous, is going to form calcium carbonate solid. This has been a Bullis Student Tutors video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutoring videos. Thank you!